Hi everyone. This video is to just walk you through the steps of what you need to do to access all of the feedback that you're going to see on your graded practice paragraph 2. So what you see here is our course homepage in Brightspace. The way you're going to get that feedback is you're going to click on assignments, and then you're going to see all the different assignment folders. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on practice paragraph 2. I'm not going to click on that because it's going to show everybody's papers. So instead of doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you kind of a sample version. So you're going to click on practice paragraph 2, and then what you're going to see is this feedback window, and you're also going to see the rubric. And when you click on that rubric, it's going to show you the grades that you earned in all 4 categories. So you want to look at the letter grade, but you also want to look at the number grade. And those numbers so this is a C, but this student got a 4 instead of a 375, so that's a little higher C. It's really a C+. The 3 is in the D range, and 375 is in the C range. So you're going to look at that rubric, but all you see on the rubric are the numbers and then your final score right here. And that's going to help you a little bit. It's going to let you know which category you scored better on and which category you need to improve on. But it's not going to give you a lot of details. And I want to be sure you know how to get the details on your graded papers. So usually I'll leave a note right here in the feedback window. It says below, I've uploaded the graded version of your paper with my feedback. Please review all comments, then use the information to make all necessary changes and improvements as you work on your Essay 3. And so you're going to click on that paper. So that paper should download, and this is what you're going to see. Now, you should be able to see these comments in kind of bubbles to the right side of your paper. If you are not able to see those comment bubbles, you need to check in with Pellicippi's help desk and get them to help you figure out how to open your Word document so you can see those, because that feedback right there on this paper I went through and labeled grammatical errors. The bubbles are all about quality of writing. And that's going to be like a nice little checklist for you as you go through and you edit your paper. So you're going to see those, but then you also want to scroll to the very bottom of the page of the document, because then you're going to see these tables. And so this is the feedback that I gave this student about quality of ideas. And these are the things that this student has done well. These are the things that this student needs to improve on. And then those are the points and the letter grade that this paper earned for the quality of ideas. Then you scroll down and you look at the comment for quality of structure. These are the things the student did well. The student kind of struggled with structure and ideas. And these are the things that the student needs to improve on. As you can see, I give really thorough feedback on your papers. I probably spent 30 or 45 minutes per paper working through all these different categories and giving you itemized feedback. So it's really important for you to spend time reviewing that feedback. And again, quality of structure is the category. These are the areas that are already strong. These are the areas that need improvement. And that's the grade for structure. Then the student can scroll down. Here's information about quality of writing. Not as many comments there because I put those specific comments in the bubbles within the paper. But this student got a stronger score, a C+ with 4 points for quality of writing. And then these are the comments that the student got about documentation. And then there is the score and the letter grade. I want you to notice too that I added a a link to a web page that's part of Pellissippi's library resources. And I don't know if it's going to open for my computer right now, but it should open for you. And it's going to take you to Pellissippi's website that's going to show you all kinds of helpful information about using MLA documentation and following all the guidelines. So I just provided that as well for you to look at. So as you're looking at your practice paragraph 2, I really hope that you will look through all of the comments and all of the feedback and then use that information while you're working on your essay 2. Making those changes, all the changes that are in these comments, is what helps you improve your grade on your subsequent papers. And you don't want to make all the changes at the same time. You want to take time to make them kind of incrementally. Let me show you one more thing. Let's go back to Brightspace. I guess I can do it here. In the content section of our course, I made 4 videos about crafting an effective essay. There's one video, a general video describing how your essays are graded. There's a video about quality of structure, a video about quality of documentation, a video about quality of thinking, and a video about quality of writing. So those are those 4 categories that I'm using to grade. If you have not watched these videos yet, or if you need a refresher on them, I really encourage you to spend some time watching those along with all of the other content that I've provided for you to use as you're working on your essay 2. Those are some of the strategies you can use to continue making improvements on that paper. So thanks for watching and good luck.